On the finish line.
No.
They don't know where the finish line is, do they? Really?
Gum.
Is it too late to throw them back?
No, they can leave that on down.
Can they?
I'm at the finish line. Yay. I'm at the finish line.
I hope it's working. Hang on, Ed. Yeah.
After, can we see it?
Yeah, we can watch it.
On the TV.
Yeah. Oh, I think he's just about gone.
I think he's gone to sleep. Wait, should we throw him back?
Yeah. Get more tomorrow?
Yeah. Do you want to draw them out now? You better give him a dog. Go on out, Ron. No, shit, I might as well take 4. Can't read it, the horse.
I'm gonna switch to this.
Oh, sure.
Can't press a video.
Okay, I got to my pee first. Is your mother still in there? She must be. Oh yeah, that's right. Come here, come here. Katie, come here. That's okay, I know she is. It's okay.
She's done.
I got a really short-term memory, eh? Are you going to get a picture of the... What? Jeez.